Hello, dear audiences. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. We are going to develop comprehensive and in-demand ACCA qualification lessons step by step from zero to hero. Today, I'm here to introduce you to something that can truly change your career, which is the ACCA Qualification. We will have a very short and useful introduction to ACCA Qualification. In this part, I will point out the full details on this highly recommended qualification. ACCA is not just a certificate. It's your passport and license to global success. With this qualification, you are eligible to work abroad and experience other countries around the world. You'll gain the skills, the confidence, and the respect that top employers value. So, if you dream of a strong, international career, ACCA is your key to success. Start your journey today and unlock a world of opportunities waiting for you. Key ACCA Table of Contents description. In today's session, we'll take a clear and structured journey through the ACCA qualification, one of the most recognized professional accounting qualifications in the world. Here's what we'll be covering step by step. Number 1. What is ACCA and why choose it? We'll start by understanding what ACCA really is and why it's considered a global passport to an international accounting career and higher salary opportunities. Number 2. ACCA qualification structure. Then we'll explore how the ACCA qualification is organized, from the 3 main levels to the subjects and progression path. Number 3. ACCA duration and completion time. Next, we'll look at how long it typically takes to complete ACCA and what factors can help you finish faster. And number 4, eligibility and entry requirements. We'll discuss who can apply for ACCA, including academic qualifications, exemptions, and the entry routes available, ACCA membership and designation. After that, we'll see what it means to become a full ACCA member and the global recognition that comes with this designation. ACCA study options and flexibility. We'll review the different ways you can study, whether full-time, part-time, or online, and how ACCA supports flexible learning worldwide. Career opportunities with ACCA. We'll also highlight the wide range of career opportunities available to ACCA professionals across industries and countries. How to start your ACCA journey. Finally, we'll conclude with a practical guide on how to begin your ACCA journey, step by step, from registration to success. Then, so stay tuned as we walk through everything you need to know about ACCA and how it can shape your professional future. Yes, that line is here. Introduction to ACCA. Let's begin with an introduction to ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Founded back in 1904 in London, United Kingdom, ACCA has grown into one of the most prestigious and globally recognized accounting bodies in the world. Today, ACCA is accepted in more than 180 countries, giving you international mobility and opportunities to work anywhere your career takes you. It is officially recognized and highly valued by the Big Four accounting firms, Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG, making it a preferred qualification for top employers in finance and business. With over 250,000 members and more than 550,000 students worldwide, ACCA continues to expand its global community of future-ready finance professionals. Holding an ACCA qualification is like holding a license to global finance positions, whether in accounting, auditing, taxation, financial management, or corporate leadership. It's a highly respected, world-class qualification that opens doors to endless opportunities in the fields of accounting, auditing, finance, and management. So if you're aiming to build a career that is recognized across borders and respected by employers worldwide, ACCA is your pathway to professional success. ACCA structure. Now, let's look at the structure of the ACCA qualification, a journey carefully designed to build your expertise step by step. The ACCA qualification is divided into 3 main levels, each one taking you closer to becoming a globally recognized finance professional. Now let's look at the structure of the ACCA qualification, a journey carefully designed to build your expertise step by step, learning the essential principles that form the backbone of every successful business. Applied skills. The next stage develops your technical and analytical abilities. Here, you'll gain in-depth understanding of key areas such as management accounting, taxation, financial reporting, and auditing, preparing you to handle real-world business challenges. Strategic professional. The final stage focuses on advanced strategy, leadership, and professional judgment. At this level, you'll think like a senior manager, making critical financial decisions, shaping business strategy, and leading with confidence on a global stage. Together, these 3 levels transform you from a beginner into a qualified, globally respected finance professional, ready to make an impact anywhere in the world. ACCA structure and syllabus. Now let's understand the ACCA structure and syllabus in a simple way. The ACCA qualification is divided into 3 main levels: applied knowledge, applied skills, and strategic professional. Applied knowledge. This is the foundation level where you learn the basics of accounting and business. It includes 3 subjects: business and technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. These give you the essential understanding of how businesses work and how finance supports them. Applied skills. At this level, you'll develop stronger technical knowledge and analytical skills. Here you'll study corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. These subjects prepare you to handle real business problems confidently. Strategic professional. This is the final stage that focuses on leadership and strategy. It has 2 essential papers: Strategic Business Leader and Strategic Business Reporting. And you can choose any 2 optional subjects from Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Taxation, or Advanced Audit and Assurance. By completing all these levels, you gain the full ACCA qualification, a globally respected certification that opens doors to top careers in finance, accounting, and management. Roadmap to ACCA, from aspirations to achievements. Let's look at the roadmap to ACCA, your journey from aspirations to achievements. Every great career begins with a dream, and ACCA helps turn that dream into reality. You start your journey by building a strong foundation with key subjects like business and technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. From there, you move step by step through the applied skills and strategic professional levels, gaining the technical knowledge and leadership skills that shape global finance experts. Once you successfully complete all your exams and professional experience, You become an ACCA affiliate, a major milestone in your career path. As an ACCA affiliate, you open doors to global job opportunities with world-leading firms like EY, KPMG, Deloitte, BDO, and Accenture, and you can earn up to $90,000 to $120,000 or more annually, depending on your experience and country. Finally, you achieve ACCA membership, the point where your hard work truly pays off, giving you professional recognition and respect across more than 180 countries. From your first step as a student to becoming a global finance professional, the ACCA roadmap transforms your ambition into success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more educational insights. Your support gives us energy to make best video for you.